So, good morning and hello everyone to the viewers and to the listeners. Today's topic is about Python. So, we will going to discuss about 10 basics questions, or you can say MCQ questions about Python programming. And we will make this as a series that will help you for your further queries, for your further preparation in your coding domain. Okay, so not wasting any more time, we will go to the Python basics MCQ questions. Just a second. Okay, so I hope everybody will see my screen. So my first questions that will appear. Okay, just a second. I hope everybody is seeing my screen. So the first question that will appear on your window, that is, who developed Python programming language? And there we will also giving four options: Wick van Rossum, Rasmus Lardorf, Guido van Rossum, and Nine Storm. I hope those who are able to give the answer, please take your time, but not so much wasting any more time. Just I will showcase you the answer. The exact answer will be option C, that is Guido van Rossum. Okay, after invented the Python programming, he deployed in 1991. Okay, so our next question on your screen, that is Python a case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? No, yes, machine independent, or none of the mentioned. What will be your answer? Okay, so let's see what will be your answer. The answer will be B. Yes, the answer will be yes. Why? Because to naming the identifiers, there are some rules that will be discussed in further classes. But for the short brief, we can say identifiers should start with the alphabetic character. Okay. And in the identifiers, we can only use uppercase or lowercase alphabetic characters, numbers, and underscore. Okay, so this will the some restriction about naming the identifier. So I hope you will understand the number two question's answer. Now we will move forward for the number three question. Okay, so our number three question is, all keywords in Python are in, there are four options: capitalized, lowercase, uppercase, or none of the mentioned. I hope those who are little bit of basic clearance about Python language, they will can easily give the answer about this question. Okay, so what will be the answer? It will be capitalized or lowercase or uppercase. None of the mentioned. Uh, if you reminder the keywords of Python, then a structure or a blueprint is appear on your mind. So what the keywords is starting with alphabetic character, all these are capitalized or lowercase or the miscellaneous. So not wasting time, I'll say the answer. The answer will be none of the mentioned. Cause why? Because all the keywords except true, false, none, they are lowercase. Why except true, false, none? Because false and true and none will be starting with uppercase letters. Okay. So, and they are also been with the uppercase letters. So I hope you will understand what is the actual answer of the previous question, that there are four options: capitalized, lowercase, uppercase, and none of the mentioned. So the right answer would be none of the mentioned. Now moving on for the next question. The next question would be, which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python language? Okay, those who are not understand what actually the question is, when we mentioning or writing any class or define any function using keywords, then when we putting down there colon and then enter, so we see that there is a little bit space left, then the actual codes will be starting there. Okay, inside that block or inside that uh, class you can say, or the function you can say, there all the methods will be written there. So what actually this thing means, when we putting down colon there and then press enter, then there will be some space left behind, then after this we will start our methods. So what this is called? So I am repeating the question again. Which of the following is used to define a block of code in Python language? The options are indentation, key, brackets, and all of the mentioned. Can you answer the question? Okay. Uh, we use it very often. Okay, in every code in Python we use it to making the class, all the definition of the function and everything else. If else statement we also do, for loop, we also do while loop. But some of you cannot know what actually this space behind will know. Okay, so this is called the four options. The answer is hidden inside these four options. So what will be it? Okay, let's check the answer. The answer will be indentation. Okay, so this is called indentation uh, when we starting with a class, with a function, with a for loop, while loop, the block of statement, the block of code is called, giving the space behind is called indentation. I hope everybody understand. Now moving on the next question. The next question would be, which of the following characters is used to give single line comments in Python? Okay, which of the following character is used to give single line comments in Python? When we doing codes in any Python compiler, that will be Python idle, that will be PyCharm, that will be Jupyter notebook, we use character a particular character that is used to for making comments. Okay, or using this in Jupyter notebook, you can do headings also. By selecting this, then there is some option you can select, then you can make headings. So what will be these characters? There are four options: double slash, hashtag, exclamation mark, and hashtag and star together. So this is the four options is given on your screen, and you can say what will be the exact answer or what will be the exact character that is used to give single line comments in Python. Okay, so the option or the right answer would be number 2 or B, that is hashtag. Okay, so hashtag is used for single line comments. Now, moving on to the next question. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? Means when we define a function in Python language, which keyword is used? There is given four options. One is function, another is def, another is fun, another one is define. So what will be the next of these answers? Okay, the right answer would be, can you guess? Okay, so let's not wasting time. I'll ask next question, but before that, I will give the answer of this question. The answer would be B, means deaf. Okay. Here in the option, I am writing in capital letter, but it is not. It is mandatory to use in lowercase letters. Okay, that means D, E, F is of all lowercase letter. Small d, small e, small f. So that is the right answer. I hope the option B. Now moving on to the next question, we will see what would be okay. So what will be the output of the following code? Okay. So this is a coding, basics of coding questions and little bit tricky. So here we see that we will use a random variable called d. We will taking d as a variable, and there we stored a list. Okay, we stored a list. Why? Because there we use a square bracket, and in list we use for the square brackets. So there are 4 weekdays names here. One is Sunday, another one is Monday, another one is Tuesday, and another one is Wednesday. Then there is del day, and in the square brackets is written 2. Del means delete. Okay. Day means day is the actual variable where the all things are stored. And in between the square bracket in the second line, we'll putting 2. Okay. Then after that, print day. So what will be the output actually? See, del function is used in Python for delete. Okay. And here we stored something data as a list form in a day variable. And after that, we have to delete del, that is used as delete, then day 2. If anyone from you think about that it is about to delete the second portion or the second subject, that is content in the list, you can say that, but is it the right answer? Means if we do this, then the answer would be Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday after deleting Monday. Is it true or is it a right answer? Can you guess? Let's check the answer. Then we will discuss about it. Okay. So the answer is B. It seems Monday is there, but Tuesday is not there. But the position of Tuesday is 3, right? So why it shows? It shows because in Python language, when we delete day 2, it does not means the position of, or you can say the second positioning value, character value in the list. It will used as, or it is act as index value, and index value always starts from 0. Means the given list is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And here del day 2 means delete second index value. That means if we consider Sunday as 0 index, that is starting from there, so that then Monday will be index 1, Tuesday will be index 2, and Wednesday will be index 3. So that's why the answer would be Sunday, Monday, Wednesday after deleting Tuesday. Why? Because del day 2 means delete lists in the stored data or the stored list, deleting second index value. I hope everybody clear about that. Now moving on to the next question. The next question would be, what will be the output of the following Python program? Okay, so in your right side, in your screen, there you see a little bit of Python code. Okay, that is I is equal to 0 while I less than 5, then colon, then a small space is given or enter. Then you can see there is a indentation block that I will discuss in the previous questions. Then print I plus is equal to 1 means I is equal to I plus 1. Then there is starting if I double is equal to 3, then again colon start, then that is break. Okay. Then there will be a else, that is beneath the while. See very carefully and print 0. So what will be the output of the following Python program? Is this error, or is this 0 1 2 0, or is this 0 1 2, or is this none of the mentioned? So let's think about the Python program, or let's think about how the program is going on. First of all, I is equal to 0. Okay. So already pre-assigned value of I is 0. Then the condition, while loop, for loop, these all are decision control system. Okay. You can see is your own way. So while condition is while I less than 5, I less than 5, then print I. So our starting or pre-assigned value of I is 0. Is 0 is less than 5? Yes. Then it print I means 0 will be printed. Then that I plus is equal to 1 means I is equal to I plus 1 means what is the previous value of I? 0. That is also pre-assigned value. After checking the condition, that is satisfied. Yes, 0 less than 5, it is satisfy the condition. Then print I, 0 printed. Then after it will increase the value of I is equal to I plus 1, or you can say I plus is equal to 1. Now the value of I is 1. I is equal to 0 plus 1. So now the value of I is 1. Now it will move again at the top. Now what is the value of I? The value of I is 1. Now again it's checking the condition. Is 1 less than 5? Yes, obviously. Then print I means print 1. So now it will printed 1. So first it will print 0, then it will print 1. Now again satisfy the condition, printing. Now again it will increase the value. It will increase the value of I means now the value of I is I is equal to I plus 1 means I is equal to 1 plus 1 means I is equal to 2. Now the incremented value of I is 2. Again going to the top, checking while I less than 5 means is 2 less than 5? Yes, obviously 2 less than 5. Print I, print 2 again. Now what will be the printed value? 0 1 2. Okay. Now again increment or upgrade the value of I is equal to I plus 1 means I is equal to 2 plus 1 means I is equal to 3. Then again it will be go to the top, but no, here again one condition is given. If I is equal to 3, if I is equal to 3, then break. So after printing from the pre-assigned value 0, then till printing 2. Okay, means it will printed, it also printed 0 1 2. Now after the incremented value of I, that is 3, it is not satisfy the condition, or you can say it is satisfy the condition that if I is equal to 3, then break. Okay, so then it will not print, it will break this. Now the code will stop. So the final answer will be 0, 1, 2. I think everybody clear about that. We will discuss. If you have any question, you can comments in the comment section. You can give. If you have any question, we will discuss it. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Okay, see, this will be the answer 0, 1, 2. Now moving on to the next question. Which of the following function is an built-in function in Python? Built-in function, that is in the Python. Okay, there are three types of function. First is built-in function, second is module function, third is user defined function. What will be the built-in function, module function, then the you can say another one is user defined function. So built-in function means that is actually in the Python library. Okay, that is built in. The answer is in his name, built in. It is actually built in the Python library, Python function library. And the module function, there are some modules just like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and these all fours mean NumPy is a module, but it contains a lot of function. It actually a module, it contains a lot of function. They are also Pandas, they are also Matplotlib, and they are also Seaborn. These are separately a module that contains a lot of functions. So these are module, you can say module function, and which will be the user defined to access of the user purpose, that is us. User means us. We are doing the coding, right? So for the user purpose, which function we created and used, that is called user defined function. Okay, so these are the functions of Python. Now which of the following functions is a built-in function in Python? Is it factorial? Is it print? Is it speed? Is it sqrt? So the answer would be which one? Number 2, print. So print is a built-in function among the given options. Okay. Now moving on to the last question of today's Python 10 question sets. Okay. So what will be the last questions? Oh, sure. That will be interesting. What are the values of the following Python expressions? Okay. Very carefully. It will also very easy if you think what will be the exact notation is used. Okay. What are the values of the following Python expression? In your right side, there will be three vertically three expressions in there. 2 double star in parenthesis, or you can say first bracket 3 double star 2. Next line, in the parenthesis 2 double star 3 bracket closed, then double star 2. Next one, 2 double star 3 double star 2. I will explain all the three lines respectively. First one, 2 double star in the parenthesis 3 double star 2. 3 double star 2. This action will be performed at first because it is in the parenthesis or it is in the bracket. So 3 double star 2 means 3 square 2. That is 9. Okay. Now 2 double star 9 means 5, 1, 2. So let's check the options. Okay, I see A and B options are containing first number 5, 1, 2. So it means number C and number D won't be the answer. So next line, 2 double star 3. It is in the parenthesis or brackets. Then double star 2. 2 double star 3 means 2 to the power 3. 2 cube means 8. Then after that, the next operation, that is 8 double star 2 means 8 square. What is it? 64. Okay. So that means 512, then 64. What is the answer? It is answer A. Let's see the last one. 2 double star 3 double star 2. You can do 2 double star 3 at first. Then just like 2 double star 3 means 8. Okay, sorry. 2 double star 3 double star 2. The last one question. Okay. Very carefully. 3 double star 2, you can do that. That is 9. And 2 double star 9 means 2 to the power 9. That is the answer. 5, 1, 2. We just check first two lines and it is matched with our given option. The option is 1, 5, 1, 2, 64, 5, 1, 2. So the option would be 1, that is 5, 1, 2, 64 and 5, 1, 2. So this is for now, and we will meet with the next session of Python 10 question sets. So that's it, and thank you everyone.